Hey everyone! Hi, how are you today? Welcome to Pam's Creations. I'm Pam. There we go. How are you all doing today? It's been a little while since I made a video. Just a lot of things going on, trying to get squared away. On Friday, I had an awesome visit with Setta. I will put that picture down below here, like now. Super excited. It was a blessing, and I'll tell you what, how she is on video on YouTube is how she is in real life. She is just a blessing. Thank you, Setta, for meeting with me, and we got to do nice long chit chats. I enjoyed every minute of it. Anyways, I come on here to show you. I bought some crochet hooks that I want to try. I've been eyeballing them on Amazon for a while, and I thought, I'm going to try these. I don't know how they're going to be. So let's take a look at them. I just messed them up. So I'm opening this package up, and it's a 4mm. It has this type of end. The ends there, they're kind of like this one here, the clovers with the end. Anyway, I have been eyeballing these, I don't know, last year or so, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to try them, and I'm going to see how they work out. So folks, I tried this yesterday, and see it has a nice round grip on it. See, it has a nice handle. You can grab it. It fits with your hand, in my opinion. See? This part right here slides in and out of the yarn. Really nice. Just like this one here. These. I have a set of these. I like them. These were on Amazon for $12, $13. And I believe you get the whole pack. You get up to a 6-point, 6-point hook. And the brand name is Indulge Your Hands. I hope you guys can see that. So yeah, I will put a link down below for this set. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just wanted to come on camera and show you guys. And I just brought over a little bit of yarn, and I'm going to attempt to try it out and see how it glides through. Oh, see? I like these kinds of ends. It just glides right through. See? It makes it, I don't know, kind of fast a little bit. Yeah. Anyway, pretty good. So yeah, I really like this hook. I have no complaints. I mean, I only tried it out I got them yesterday, and I tried it out for a day, and I have no problem with them. And I like the way it's like arched there. See that? And you just take your handle and grip on it, or however you do it, however you hold your hook. Now, I want to try the tulips, but they're out of my price range right now, so I put them on my wish list for Christmas. Yeah. Gotta talk the hubby into it, guys. Gotta talk the hubby into it. So yeah, so I got these. I really, 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 really like them. And they're not badly priced considering it's only like $12 and some change. And I got them on Amazon. And I got them pretty fast in a hurry. And I do have one hook out of here. But this is the package and this was stuck to it. So I really, really like them. And what else here? I have my box opening for Darn Good Yarns. So let's open that up. I got that today. So I went ahead. I haven't opened it yet. I just untaped it so I didn't fiddle with the taping while I was on camera. So, what did we get here? Shipping information. Let's see here. And we got some of this. And it is 50 yards, bulky number 5. And it's a 6.5 K-hook. And it's called Pink Flamingo. I like that. I think that's a pretty color. There's not a lot here, but that's a pretty color, right? Yeah. And then I got a bag. Oh, that's cute. Darn Good yarn pouch. Isn't that cute? Let's see here. What's inside? And let's see, in the pattern. What is the pattern called for? Treasure Keeper pouch. That's a cute little thing. I might make that. Anyway, that's that. So yeah, that's my opening. Pink Flamingo. See, I was trying to see what kind it was. I'm not sure. Oh, cute me. Had the grandbabies over the last couple days, so I'm kind of pooped. Anyway, so there's that. And let's see here. Let's see here. Been making some stitch markers. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So pretty. And then these ones. You can use them for earrings or stitch markers. There's those. And then these here. Candy corns. And you can use them for earrings because they have a leather back. You know, you could just put them in your ear. Or you can use it for stitch markers. Candy corns. And I do have some finished objects. Well, I have a couple, but I want to get them all done at once. So I will be showing that hopefully in the next few days. I see that I have gotten some new subscribers. Welcome! Thank you! Buzz! Yay! So, when I get to 500, 500. I want to do a giveaway, but I don't want to do one giveaway. I want to do like have 4 or 5 little ones so other people have a chance to win. But they're going to be like a couple skeins of yarn, a measuring tape, and like a little journal type of thing. And one of my stitch markers that I make. You know, not one of these because I'm selling these, but, you know, something I made. You know, something. So, yeah, I'm going to do that, but I want more people to win. So I thought I'd do a few small ones so there's more of a chance to win, right? I mean, that's a good idea, I think. I also want to do something with my channel out of the realm, but I don't know what to do yet. So I'm trying to jot it down on paper to figure out what I want to do instead of doing the same old thing. There is a ton of podcasters out there, so I just want to do a little something different, but I gotta do a lot of brainstorming because it takes. I have so much going on in my head. It's like I gotta brainstorm and get some ideas, you know. So that's what I've been up to. It's my husband's birthday today, so yeah, I have ice cream cake for him. He's only 29 today. We're gonna go with that, right? So yeah, I got him a couple of things. He likes Star Trek and he likes Star Wars. And so I got him, I just compromised this time. I got him James T. Kirk. Yeah, James T. Kirk. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're making eggplant parmesan. I've never had that, so I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. I've actually never eaten eggplant before. Let me know in the comments down below if you all have eaten it. I haven't ever eaten it. So we're going to try that, and we're going to have some cake with the grandbabies. We brought them over to spend a couple days with Grandpa, and they picked out the cake for Grandpa to eat, except they wanted chocolate, and raspberry, strawberry. I couldn't find anything like that, so we just got him an ice cream cake. So, oh, they pick out funny things. I don't know what else is going on. Like I said, I want to revamp it somehow, but I gotta get a plan to go and figure it out. And so, yeah. Sorry, someone just walked in my room. Anyway, yeah, so revamping, whatever, you know, getting things going, trying to get my channel figured out, you know, things. I'm trying to get a shop put up somewhere. I have a Facebook like page I've been putting my stuff on. I will link that down below in the description box too. It's mostly got the stitch markers and the jewelry and some of the bracelets I have made. I don't know what else. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just going to sit here and ramble because I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. So, I am grateful and blessed that, I got new subscribers. Now, when I put the video out, we'll see how long it takes for them to drop a little bit, because that happens too, right? That's okay. I had just been watching a lot of other, trying to keep up with other channels by watching them and, watching people's, videos. So there's just so many talented people out there, you know, you just watch their stuff and see what they've made, and I find it interesting. I do that with jewelry and the crochet, and I watch other things too. So I find it fun. I just enjoy watching everybody's creations. It's exciting to me. So yeah, I mean, yeah. So it's about 15 minutes long. Almost 15 minutes. So yeah, I can't think of anything else. I want to get my finished objects done, and show you one of the whips I'm working on, and that will be Finished Objects number 8. Yes, number 8. So, yeah, I think that's it. Like I said, I just want to revamp it. And I like to make some money so my hubby isn't stuck with everything. So that's why I'm trying to make everything. So you see anybody interested in what I just showed you with my earrings or slash stitch markers? You know, I thought those were pretty cool, because you can wear them for both. You know, let me know. You know. I don't know what else there is. I'm on a yarn buying ban for a little bit. I put myself on it just because money's kind of tight, and I'm going to do some yarn swaps with a few people, but yeah, that's about it. That's all that's been going on. I'm sure you're tired of hearing me ramble now. I've done my box opening and showed you the hooks I got. You know, when I learn more about the hooks, like I said, I've only used them for a day, and I like them. I haven't had any problems with them. But I guess I can get off here. Alrighty, so I will let you all go, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.